everyone, welcome to our Marine Knowledge channel. This is your Sailor Basha. Again, one technical related video. So, in this video, I would try to explain about the function of main air compressor, which is Sperre. So, I would like to show the parts of the Sperre main air compressor. Okay, we'll go inside the video. Okay, so this is Sperre HP 200 model main air compressor. So I just want to explain the operation of this particular main air compressor. So from this side, this is the suction filter where it takes suction from the atmospheric air. So this is the filter, and this is the first stage low pressure suction valve, and from this it goes to air goes to here, which is low pressure discharge valve. So the valve which is compressed, say 7 bar, pressure will be going through this cooler. This is the cooler, and it comes through this. This is the high pressure suction valve, and from here it comes to high pressure discharge valve. So the discharge air will be again passing through this cooler. This is the cooler, and after being cooled, the air goes outlet to the air bottle. So this is how the air compressor works. So just I want to tell you what are all the spares, what are all the parts in this air compressor. So this is what you call it as unloader valve for the first stage suction valve, low pressure. So this is low pressure suction valve, this is low pressure discharge, this is high pressure suction, high pressure discharge, and this is the suction air filter, and this is the cooler. This is the low pressure cooler. First stage air will pass through this cooler. You can see the pressure for this cooler is very less, and so the cooler safety, you can see the safety valve here. This is the safety valve for the cooler. So after this, when it comes to the high pressure side, this is the high pressure side cooler, and here you can see the high pressure side safety valve. You can see the different in size for safety valve for both the coolers, because this cooler handle small pressure, say 7 bar, and this cooler handle 30 bar pressure. So the size of the safety valve is also different. And this is the inspection hole. You will be having the bursting disc. So once the bursting disc, in case of anything it burst, the water comes out through this way. And this is the air high pressure temperature pressure switcher. So this is the outlet. This is being present in the outlet of the final stage, like high pressure outlet after the cooler. So if the temperature is high, this will give a alarm, and that means your cooler is choked or whatever. So next is so these are the safety. This is a safety, high pressure air temperature. This is a safety, and next is this is the low boil low pressure switch, and in case the low boil pressure is low, again it will trip the compressor. So this pressure switch, pressure sensors through this line. So this line comes from the low boil sump. You can see here, you can see this is the sump. It takes from the sump and it goes to the pressure switch. If the sump pressure is less, then it will get activated. So next main thing is this is the unloader, first stage unloader, and the second thing is this is that is second stage unloader, and this is your heater, you can call it as. This is your sump, and this is your breather cap, and this is where you check the oil level, and all those pressure switches are connected to this terminal box, and this terminal box is connected to the main panel over there. And This compressor is water cooled. You can see here. This is the water pipe, water inlet. You can see water is coming through this way. So the water goes through this way and comes out through this way. And you have a temperature here, thermometer for the compressor. And the next, you can see here, you can see the pressure gauges. One pressure gauge is connected to the cooler. The next is here, that means air pressure first stage and second stage, lube oil and the temperature. So all four gauges will be there. And this is, we call it as a inspection box. And next thing is this motor is being connected with the compressor with the help of elastic coupling. I couldn't able to open it anyway, no problem. So this is where you can see the sump oil level gauge glass, and this is the lube oil pump, and this is the lube oil pump filter. So from the sump, through the filter, the pump take suction and give it inside the sump. Okay, that's all. So after watching this video, you must have got some idea about how the Sperre air compressor work and how to identify the spares parts in main air compressor. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, please put in comment box. Definitely I will reply you. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting.